Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Parker Clay. Before I open it up, I want to show you this is their Caroline tote that I previously bought from them. At first I wasn't sure that I would like the tote because of this long shoulder strap, but this shoulder strap actually come in handy, and it's so easy to slip over your shoulder and all that. And I like that it had the front pocket and then also a zipper pocket inside. So as you can see, this leather has been darkened quite a bit since my last unboxing video. Let's open up the box. So something interesting was I ordered this through Instagram, like directly on the app itself. This was my first time buying things on Instagram, and I think Instagram really tried to get into shopping experience and stuff, so they offered me 20% off for my first purchase. And I saw that Parker Clay has a Instagram store, so I decided to go for it and try out their new Merkato shopper. Let's see. They have this thank you note. I think this is just a printed standard thank you note. And then I guess their product pictures. So in case you are not familiar with them, they are a company that help the community in Ethiopia. As you can see here, it says we are dedicated to transforming the communities in Ethiopia through social and economic empowerment. So they hire the women there to make these bags and help them to improve their life quality there. So it's great to support company like that. And with this purchase, I also bought a tassel from them. It's a great looking tassel. Yeah, I love it. Let's put down the box. They just released this tote bag not long ago, I think. It flattened out a little bit. I have to reshape it, I guess. It's interesting. So I guess I have to stuff it a little bit. It's getting there. I probably have to really stuff it to reshape it so that it looks better. It's supposed to look like a they call it like a no-frills shopping bag that for your daily use. So they use full grain leather, and this bag doesn't have a lining, so it's basically like kind of the suede side of the leather. This tote has a good size internal slip pocket, and then they also have this D-ring on the side. So if you want to hook it up to make it as a crossbody bag or shoulder bag, you can, but you have to buy the strap separately. They sell the shoulder strap on their website, but I decided not to get it because it's not an adjustable strap, so it wouldn't be long enough for crossbody, I think. So, and it gave me an opportunity to go shop and find a fun strap for this tote. The product image definitely looks better than it looks right now because it was kind of squeezed a little bit in the box. It's supposed to be a little bit more structure, but this bag doesn't doesn't have any closure, so it's very straightforward. And the handles are quite comfortable. So with this kind of leather, I suspect they are vegetable tan leather because they seem to get scratches quite easily. This out of the box, you already see marks and scuffing all over the place. Trying to figure out and it doesn't have fit in case you wonder about that, but the size is pretty good compared to their Caroline tote. I would say the capacity is very similar. First impression, I'm still not sure how I feel about it. I guess I will have to condition the bags to buff up some of the marks and scuffings. But overall, I think this would be quite durable. I mean, the leather seems to be a great quality leather. So anyway, just a quick unboxing and wanted to share this with you. And also, if you haven't shopped on Instagram before and you can try that, I think you check out the shopping tab and see if they offer you a 20% discount. That's how I got discount for this purchase. I have to go stuff it and find a good strap for this bag. Thanks for stopping by today, and we'll have more unboxing coming up soon. Thanks, bye.